Hello, my family and friends. If you notice something like a cross on my forehead, it's because it's Ash Wednesday today. To the Catholic people, happy Ash Wednesday. Okay, I just came back from work today, and like I promised, I will show you the orchids that I soaked in the tea water yesterday. It's a lot better today. But before I'm gonna do that, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comment over here, and I will show you the orchids video, the sick orchids that I have, and it's much better today. Hello, my friends. Here is the orchids, my sick orchids yesterday. It's much better. So this is the tea that I put in here, and look, it's more green. See that? It looks more healthy than yesterday. So now I'm gonna put this in the pot. The same one, I have a plastic pot that here before I put in here, and then I gonna put back all the wood chips. See that? It's more green. Yesterday it looks pretty bad, but today it's more green and it looks more healthy than yesterday. See, it's like more alive today than yesterday. Okay, I'll put this back in the pot and I'll come back in a little bit. See that? It's more green, more alive than yesterday. So hopefully this will give me some flowers in a bit. Like hopefully in a month or two, give me some more flowers. Okay guys, this is the orchids that I soak in the Lipton tea. So Lipton tea is very good for everything. If you are drinking Lipton tea, don't throw the tea bag right away, because you can use that too if you have some rough spot in your feet. Like, you know, sometimes when you're wearing shoes every day, you can see rough spot in your toes or the heels. You can also soak your feet, you know, in those tea bags. So don't throw it away. Now, I just learned from yesterday because I was, you know, I feel bad for these orchids. I don't know what to do. I tried to put some fertilizer but not doing very well. So I did search in YouTube and I found out, so I learned it from Mr. Michael Orchids, that, you know, if you watched my video yesterday, I took everything from the pot and clipped all those dry something on the roots of these orchids, of your orchids, and then soak in the tea bag or tea water for overnight. And then as you can see, I just clean it out and put it back, so it looks more happy than yesterday. So hopefully in a few months it will give me good flowers. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Michael Orchids. I learned from you and I'm going to share this to my friends or to everybody out there who have sick orchids, because this orchids was very unhappy yesterday. And look at this now, happy, and you know, the leaves is like not as fluffy as yesterday. Yesterday all the leaves are like down, so sad, but now look, it's like more dehydrated, maybe so dehydrated. So when I put that tea, and it's more alive today. So thank you so much. YouTube is a good place to hang out and find good things that we don't know. So, Mr. Michael Orchids, thank you so much for that post. I'm learning something from you. So, happy Orchids Day and happy Ash Wednesday to everyone. Take care and God bless. Please give me a like if you like my post.